Happy quarantine, said no one ever. Welcome to a 10 ways to wear silk scarves in 2020 lookbook filmed in total isolation. Literally 10 minutes of me wandering around my house doing especially weird things purely because I am wearing a scarf. Scarves have definitely made a comeback in 2020, but like all rotating trends, how they come back is always a little different. A refreshing new take on what we know blended with what we love trend-wise now. And a lot of these styles are perfect for stay-at-home hair. Look 1 is one we all know very well, mainly because it was strutted in Jacquemus. Guys, I've been practicing how to say this right. Jacquemus for Paris Fashion Week this year before it hit the fan. Lots of people have been doing it because there is something so flattering and casual French about it. 2020 trends are already really leading towards fun fashion, bold colors and patterns, summer feels. People are again embracing and turning to art like the Renaissance during these times of isolation. And scarves are like paintings made on a square piece of silk fabric, freely worn however you want to express yourself. The bandana look is an easy solution to style up casual outfits with pops of color and beautiful patterns, perfect for warmer days. Because I have long hair, I put it up into 2 low buns to frame the face better. Look 2 is a bandana tube. It's so simple but a perfect way to really utilize your scarves and showcase how beautiful the designs are. Sometimes I feel like I lack a lot of playfulness in my tops, and using a scarf is the perfect way to spice up my outfits with a pretty and flattering silhouette. Something you'll begin to notice in these scarves as well is that the print actually has a story. This one is a vintage Hermes scarf, one my mom had bought in Europe. It is called Chasse au bois, which means wood hunting. 2 foxes and a bird are overlooking a hare in the woods. It's beautiful but also quite dark if looked closer. My point of mentioning that, I feel like I can enjoy and appreciate these scarves more knowing that it has meaning. That there is that beautiful juxtaposition of wearing a scarf with beautiful pastel greens to go with my pink pants. That it's not just fun and trendy, it's layered. Like, art is never simple but multifaceted. Look 3 is another bandana, or gypsy headscarf, pirate headscarf. There's just so many names for this look on the internet, you could probably call it shower cap headscarf, and it would be equally valid. This is another pretty simple way to wear a scarf. I'm always looking for non-tacky ways to wear a scarf. I just don't want to kill how gorgeous they are by making it look boho 2000s. The way Bella Hadid pulled this off was so cool and effortless. And something about the styles I'm loving this year, there is this fun, free quality to it all. Like, you don't have to try too hard, it can clash, it can be wild, it doesn't need to be tight, it's dark and flattering. Especially with the scarf, I loved every square of it. Like, there's greens, golds, royal blues, colors that I feel traditionally aren't really seen together in one outfit, let alone one scarf. My mom's gonna hate me for that. It would have been no fun, I imagine, making a scarf that has to follow all these boundaries, and equally wearing a scarf like that with black just to tone it all down. It's so overdone, so I went maybe a little too overboard with these fun colors and patterns, putting together whatever I could find in my wardrobe. Snack time! I love this specific style because it gets rid of all that bed hair in a quick, simple way that can either look glamorous or elegant in a relaxed way. I went with a simpler pattern and I adored how these 2 colors work together. The nude brown of the large distressed vintage shirt and the muted reds and cream of the scarf, and a hint of gold from the earrings to keep it from looking too relaxed. The balance of these different pieces of clothing is not particular, it's all about taste. Some people might think it's too relaxed and would like the tee to be tucked into some denim. That's the fun in it, I guess. But the way you wear this is really simple. After making a triangle with your scarf by folding it in half, I lined these scarf edges against my forehead the way I liked it, bringing the 2 ends underneath my bun, wrapping it around once and tying a knot on the top. Jokes, and tying a knot on the bottom. I also love the way the 2 ends of the knot fly out from behind the neck like bunny ears, complemented with the elegant simple gold of the hoops. Here's another terrible name for this type of scarf do, the French head wrap. I couldn't actually find many inspo photos similar to this specific head wrap, only one, it was also the hardest to perfect. The shape is really particular and it differs for every person's head. The trick is to do a high bun loosely as possible, and like the low bun, triangle fold, placing the scarf a little back from your hairline, wrapping the corners around the back of your head low as you can get to the base, and then tying the knot where you started on the top of your head a little back from the hem. Pins will also help keep it in place. I don't see very often outfits with red and purple. These two colors are so bold and vibrant, and the absence of white or light neutral colors to mute it is so gorgeous and so chic and so unapologetic. I feel somewhat powerful just wearing it. Because the top of my head was so exciting, I wanted to bring attention to that the most, but I didn't want to mute the whole look, so I chose a pastel pattern print, softer colors yet still playful and complementary. Obviously, I'm not suggesting you wear bikinis, it was just the only thing in my wardrobe that kind of fit that description. There's definitely something childish about this scarf too. The truth is, sometimes an outfit can be adventurous and fun, but you just need some texture, just need some colors, feeling of just missing something. A scarf made headband is always a lot of fun, and I really enjoyed the ruffled, messy look of the bow. I find with the trend at the moment, the more perfect a bun, the more perfect a scarf wrap and outfit looks, the less stylish it feels. Disorganization, some reckless carelessness can go a long way. I think maybe it's the fact that there's been so many rules put in place for fashion for a long time, body images, shapes, you know, all this kind of really constricting stuff, that it's finally time to just break them and enjoy them and have fun with fashion. If you've watched any of my other videos, I pretty often enjoy this way of wearing a scarf. It's not known as the Grace Kelly just for being Hollywood and glamorous, but it genuinely keeps your hair from fluttering around your face and tickling it when the windows are down. It can also bring an otherwise dull and boring outfit. Say, this yellow dress is very simple and kind of shapeless, and the scarf gives it a little bit of fun. Normally I would have enjoyed matching this yellow dress with a scarf with more pastel colors, but this one worked too. I've also been thinking, this look won't be so outrageous once the virus is done. There will be people, you know, wearing glasses, wearing face masks, wearing gloves as a measure to keep the virus from a second wave. So I definitely feel that wearing something around your face like this won't be looked at as something too much. But that's just some ways to wear a scarf if you feel so inclined. I hope this video helped. My name is Kyoko. Subscribe to my channel for more fashion videos, and I'll see you all next week. Bye!